Looking for the best cordless vacuums for hardwood floors for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 cordless vacuums for hardwood floors that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features, and many users, and if you can't find a cordless vacuums for hardwood floors that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended cordless vacuums for hardwood floors. Number 1 on the list is Shark Rocket Pet Pro IZ163H, our editor's choice. The Shark Rocket Pet Pro IZ163H is a powerful and versatile cordless stick vacuum that is ideal for cleaning hardwood floors. Stick design makes it easy to maneuver, and its low profile allows it to fit under furniture and tight spaces. It has a long battery life of up to 40 minutes, so you can clean your floors without having to stop and recharge. The vacuum also comes with a flexible wand for getting into corners and tight spaces. Additionally, the vacuum comes with HEPA filtration that can capture 99.97% of allergens, and an anti-allergen complete seal to prevent them from escaping. We should also mention that the Shark Rocket Pet Pro IZ163H is protected by a 5-year limited warranty. The main improvement of the Shark Rocket Pet Pro over the Rocket Pro is right there in the name. It has been specifically designed to offer an improved performance for pet owners. It not only has a HEPA filtration system, but it also has cyclonic action and is self-cleaning. This makes it a great option for pet owners who struggle to keep their floors clean and tidy. Second on the list is Miele Triflex HX1. The Miele Triflex HX1 is a premium pick for those looking for a vacuum designed for hardwood floors. Its 3-in-1 design allows for easy switching between stick, upright, and handheld mode, and it also comes with an exchangeable Li-ion battery that provides up to 60 minutes of runtime. It features automatic floor detection so you can easily transition from one surface type to another. Plus, it is made in Germany, so you know it is a quality product. Unlike many cordless vacuums on the market, the Miele Triflex HX1 features a multi-layered filtration system. There is an outer mesh filter to catch large particles and debris, but inside there is a primary cylinder filter and a smaller middle filter. These are not only highly effective, delivering 99.99% filtration, but they are lifetime, washable filters, so you don't need to worry about costly replacement parts. We should also add that the Miele Triflex HX1 has a bin volume of 0.5 qt, which is smaller than the bin volumes of some of the other vacuums on this list. However, it is still enough to collect dirt and debris without having to constantly empty it. Plus, the smaller bin volume makes it easier to store and transport the vacuum. Number 3 on the list is Dreametech T10. What makes the Dreametech T10 cordless vacuum for hardwood floors special is its combination of powerful suction and great battery life. We found that it has some of the best battery life on the market, lasting up to 60 minutes on a single charge. This is great for larger areas, as you don't have to worry about having to recharge the vacuum in the middle of cleaning. Additionally, the bin volume is 0.6 quarts, meaning that you can clean a decent amount before needing to dump out the debris. The tangle-free design makes it simple to tidy up after pets or children. The Dreametech T10 also includes a 5-stage filtration system to help keep your floors clean. Plus, this vacuum comes with a 2-year limited warranty for added peace of mind. While being significantly cheaper than its sibling the T20, the Dreametech T10 has practically the same specification. The toolkit is almost identical, and the only key difference is that the T20 has more power. This means that you can enjoy great cleaning performance without needing to deal with the far higher price tag of the T20. Number 4 on the list is Tineco iFloor 3. The Tineco iFloor 3 is a powerful cordless upright vacuum that is perfect for cleaning hardwood floors. It features advanced suction power that allows you to easily transition from vacuuming carpets to sucking up dirt and dust from your floors. What we liked most is that the vacuum also features a wash function that lets you clean your floors in one step. Its dual tank technology collects dirty water in a separate tank, making sure you always use only clean water. What is more, the iFloor 3 comes with a multifunctional docking system that lets you store and charge the vacuum quickly and easily. Plus, it has a quiet operation so you can clean without disturbing anyone. Finally, the advanced digital display makes it easy to see how much battery life is remaining. The Tineco iFloor 3 is similar to its sibling the iFloor, but it is larger and offers far greater suction power. Despite being larger than the basic iFloor, the iFloor 3 is still convenient and mobile to use. So you should be able to clean and vacuum floors throughout your home with the minimum of fuss or bother. Number 5 on the list is Eureka RapidClean Pro Flex NEC 185. The Eureka RapidClean Pro Flex has an impressive 0.7 QT bin volume, which makes it easy to dispose of the debris and dirt it collects. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, with a bendable wand and LED headlights that make it easy to clean tight spaces and under furniture. The Easy Rest feature allows you to rest the vacuum on its back without having to worry about it tipping over, and the washable filters make it easy to keep your vacuum running like new. Plus, the battery runtime is up to 40 minutes, so you can clean your entire home without having to stop and recharge. We found that the Eureka RapidClean Pro Flex is similar to the HyperClean in many ways, but there are some key differences, which may make it more appealing. Firstly, it has a larger bin capacity, which will mean that it needs to be emptied less frequently. It is also lighter, making it easier to handle. Finally, while the recharge time is longer, you'll get an extra 10 minutes of battery life, which could make the difference between getting your entire home cleaned or needing to stop to recharge. Just now is a list of 5 best cordless vacuums for hardwood floors that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will receive our latest videos. Thank you.